Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Hub, and today in today's video we will talk about the preposition of place. In my previous video I have explained to all of you about the definition of preposition and types of preposition, and in my this video I will talk about the preposition of place. As we all know that ki which words we will use for the preposition of place: in, on, at. But we sometimes we get confused ki at which place we should use in, on which at which place we will use on, and at which place we will should use at. So first of all I am giving a general view about these preposition. In where we will use in we will use in an enclosed space when something is placed which yeah, something is placed at the place where which is surrounded with boundaries, like the bed is in the room. Because the room is surrounded with wall, that's why we will use in. And some we will use my next example is the pen is in the pen holder, because the pen holder is surrounded with boundary and the pen is in it, so we will use in. And where we should use on we should use the when the something is placed on the surface of anything, like the pen is on my hand, on the surface on my hand. So it is because the body of pen is touched with the surface of my hand, so we will use on. Or at denote an exact point, ki where are you, I am at your door, I am standing here at the mall. We will when we are use exact point, then we will use at. So let's we start to explain the preposition in. Where we should use that preposition: in we will use in preposition will use for the enclosed area. As I told you, the enclosed area means the area which is surrounded with boundaries, which is surrounded with boundaries, then that is called enclosed area. And at where we will use in. Here is some example where we should use in. We always, and next we will use in for the town or city. Like I born in Mumbai, I am in the Haridwar, आई एम इन उत्तराखंड. टाउन और सिटी को डिनोट करने के लिए भी वी विल यूज़ इन. एंड वी ऑल्सो यूज़ अ बुक और पेपर. इन यूज़ वी विल बुक और पेपर बिकॉज बुक ऑल्सो इज़ ए पर्टिकुलर एरिया, है ना. द स्टोरी इज इन द बुक, बट वेन वी यूज़ पेपर देन वी यूज़ ऑन. We are in the car, we are in the taxi, and what is going what happening in the world, for the word, for the picture, all these things we will use in. And now I will explain about inside. There is minor difference between the in or inside. When something is completely closed, something is placed completely closed area, then we will use inside. Then like clothes are inside the almirah, because almirah is completely closed, na, there is no opening side in the almirah, so we will use inside, not in. Complete clothes are in the almirah, not we will say like this, we will say clothes are inside the almirah. Second is tea is in the cup, because cup is surrounded with boundary, but its opening surface is open, है ना. upper surface is open, but it is surrounded with boundary, so we will use in the cup. The water bottle, pour the some water in the bottle, some pours waters in the water bottle. तो because we will use in the, क्योंकि when we are pouring water in the bottle, then the lid of the bottle is open, only surrounded boundary is closed na, but opening lid of the bottle is open, so we will say pour some water in the water bottle. But if some insect or your something else is in the bottle and its lid is closed, when we say there is something there is any insect inside the bottle, then we say this. Means difference between in or inside is that ki in we will use for only enclosed surface which is open from upper side, and inside we will use that is completely closed, so we will use inside. Next is on. Now I will explain on. As I told you ki when the body of some subject is attached with the surface of anything, then we will use on for it. Like the pen is on my hand, because the body of the pen is attached with the surface of my hand, that's why we say the pen is on my hand. ठीक है. And she will perform on the stage. She will perform on the stage because her body, she will perform on the stage. We will always say she will perform on the stage, not in the stage. Because on we will say because the body of particular person will touch on the surface of the stage, so we will say on the stage, not in the stage, है ना. But there is a beautiful picture of my family on the wall. So because the picture surface is attached, surface is touched with the wall, that's why we will use on the wall. ठीक है. Here is some examples about if something is on line or horizontal or surface, then we will also use जैसे on the table, on the floor, on the face, on the page, on the wall, on the plate. We will, when the body of any subject is touched with the surface of any wall, any table, and any floor, anything, then we will use on. Get it? Now we will talk about at. When the at preposition play or a preposition of place which is used to discuss a certain point. When we discuss about any certain point, then we will use at. Means I am standing at the door, I am standing at the airport, at the cinema, at the bottom. All these things is denote any certain point where you are standing or where his thing is placed, so we will use at. So I think, I hope we all understood about the place of preposition and which are the place of preposition in, inside, on, at, and how we should use it and where we should use it. I think all the doubts are complete today. If any query is here, then you can comment to me and ask to me freely. Thank you for watching. Thank you.